4. My birthday is March 12th. In high school, I noticed that it was going to fall on a Thursday, and I thought, oh wow, Thursday the 12th. I then spent several minutes scanning the next few decades on my phone calendar to see if my birthday would ever fall on Friday the 13th. 5. In high school, I woke up on a day when icy weather was expected and couldn't find any school closings on TV. I begrudgingly got ready for school, stepped out my front door, and immediately slipped on ice, landing flat on my back. I got up, shook it off, and cursed the school for not being closed. I had to crawl up a hill to the bus stop because I kept slipping on the ice. I waited at the bus stop for over half an hour, checking my watch repeatedly and getting angrier each time. Finally, I decided they must have canceled school. I made my way back home and saw the clock. It was 2:30 a.m. 6. I was walking around my apartment, talking to my mom on the phone, and getting increasingly frustrated. My mom noticed and asked what was wrong. I said, I just can't seem to find my phone. 7. There was one time I bit my phone and tapped my toast.